So the prerequisite check, it's downloaded. If you see the download size, I have 5 Mbps internet, so it takes a long back. 1 GB takes some more amount of time. Okay. Later, what I will do, I will zip this file. I will upload these files to the drive. Okay. So English, next, basic English, language, next. I want to give a site code. If you want, give US, some name, USA, some name you can give it. USA primary site. Any name you can give, whatever you want. Here, I do not want to install on C drive because I don't want to fall in the C drive because some OS is crashed. My drive, I will want to put it in E drive. So if you can change the name to E, but why you want to put program files configuration manager and all? I don't want a big name. I want to put simple E colon slash SCCM. So I want like this. It's simple way. It depends upon some. Mostly they will put SCCM under any of the drive, or some companies will give program files each and everything. For first time you need to look where the program files and all. But I will follow this standard. ESCCM. Next. Join to site. I want to install standalone site. I want to go with the standalone primary site. I need to select this option. Hit next. Yes. SQL server. If you are installing SQL on a different server, you need to give the server. But for us, both are in the same server. You got the same fine. SQL service broker port. In interview, they will ask you a question. What is a SQL service broker port? That is 4022. Is it clear? Then hit next. See, automatically the S drive is there. The backup SCCM main drive will be stored in the S drive. Default options, hit next. So your SMS provider will be installed in the server, same next. So you need to choose the second option, then next, the default options. Management point, DP will be installed in the server, fine, next. The default options, next. Service connection point on the same server, okay, fine, next. Finally, you will validate the whatever you selected. Finally, hit next. Now it tries to check the prerequisite check. WSS is not mandatory. You can install it later also. Warnings can be ignored. WSS is not later. We'll do it at the time of patching. SQL native client you need to install, but warning can be ignored. SQL configuration because at least the server has 8 GB RAM, but as it's a test lab, we are 4 GB. That's why it's getting some warning. Okay. Warnings can be ignored. Okay, once it's done, you will say being installed will come. Yeah, simply check all the, if you have any error, it will not work out. You need to fix the issues. Then finally click begin to install. Now it will take some 40 minutes to 60 minutes of time. So you can see the installation log would be on the C drive. Configuration manager setup.log. See the file size is getting increased. Okay. Once it's done, your installation, once your installation is completed, you will get a screenshot like this option. See, overall process. Once it is completed, you will see the steps like core setup has been completed, means your SCCM installation is done. Almost it will take 1 hour, 1 hour, 7 minutes. It will tell you the time. Then you can open the start menu. How you're opening in our test lab. Start menu, open SCCM console. That's it. We can launch the console after 1 hour. Okay, let me put in pause. This is the about SCCM installation. So,
Yes, sir.
so, so if you have a laptop with 8 GB, try to install SCCM. If you cannot opt out for a laptop, yes, you need a credit card. Then you watch this SCCM video with Azure. Download and watch the video. You can scratch. You can build a lab in Azure with 2 rupees. You can ask your friend to take a credit card and register. They not debit more money. Then register the account, then try to install a VM, then install SCCM on the servers. Try to access remotely with 2 GB of RAM. If you have basic laptop with internet connectivity, you can simply turn at your mobile, put internet. Then MSTSC, how you are accessing now? Your same way you access and you can practice it. Two ways you have. Either if you have laptop with good configuration, practice offline. If not, create an account in Azure, seeing this video, practice online. I will leave up to you. Or I already created an account. Use this account as for this 30 days. We'll think of next thing. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
clear.
Yeah, yes.
Ads are coming. Latest version ads are coming. News and all. That is the latest version future. One of the future. So the installation is ongoing. So that's for today. Okay. So it takes only 24 minutes here. See, 24 minutes to complete the complete installation. Okay. So SCCM is installed within 24 minutes. That's good. Very good. Close. Then simply you can go to start menu. Then comes here Microsoft Configuration Manager. Open SCCM console. Configuration Manager console. Then you're good to open SCCM console now. Right. So you can launch SCCM console. First of all, you need to go and check in the monitoring and check the version of SCCM. Go to drop down and check about configuration manager. You can see what is the version which is we have installed 2103. Okay. Then you can go to administration and also you can see in the site configuration you will have primary site is installed USA, which is a site code and the site active, site version. Okay. Then you can go to the monitoring, which is very important, and go to the system status and site status. All components are green. Okay. All are okay. Good. We need to check whether all are green and components. It will take some time. Maybe it's loaded. Okay. 68 components are present. And you scroll down, all are green. Do not worry if you have components are critical, that's fine. We can troubleshoot. If MP only, we need to worry. If management point, it's still MP not loaded, it may take like 1 or 2 minutes time. Maybe it will take some time to load it. Okay. So we have done one mistake. We need to install. We need to copy one file called something so that that is install only the DP drive in one of the location. That's we miss it. That's fine. Okay. We need to place one file called SMS no drive.sms before installing the DP so that the drives will be installed only in the FRC. It is taken the DP drive as FRA because highest availability drive will be considered as an DP drive. Okay, if you see in S drive, nothing is there. If you put E drive, only CCM, only SCCM client is installed, so you'll get these options. But in general, we need to keep one file called SMS underscore one new file called .sms. Okay. So that's when see MP also installed. Components are green. Everything you need to leave for some time so that all the components will come into the green. If you don't worry about the components, this is about the SCCM installation. Okay. So that's it about SCCM installation. Thank you. Let me know if you have any other doubts.